So if you are a fresher and want to come into the field of data analytics, or if you are experienced and want to switch your domain to data analytics, so make sure to subscribe this channel because here we do not bring only job notification but also upgrade your skills. So hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good and wishing everyone a very happy new year. So today we have a great opportunity for those who belongs from a mechanical engineer or mechanical engineering field, or for those who belongs from the automobile engineering. So today we have a job notification of a reliability data analyst in the company Pinnacle Industries. So before going further to the job notification, let's first understand about the company itself. So Pinnacle Industries is basically a automobile industry. So it is established in 1996 in the Pithampur of Madhya Pradesh. So it is India's largest integrated commercial vehicle seating and interior company, and it also offering end-to-end solution for the Indian and international commercial vehicle for OEMs across ICE or EV space, means both the petrol and diesel based engine and EV vehicles. So if you will move ahead with the company side, you will come to know how big the company is and what all the business domains they are working with. Now coming back to the job notification. So as a reliability data analyst, you will execute intermediate to advanced level tasks, work for engineering project across multiple areas of reliability, data gathering, organizing, analyzing and strategy. So here as a data analyst, you will be majorly working on the data gathering part where the project will be based on the engineering project where you will be organizing, analyzing and strategizing the data with the help of business tools. Now coming to the duty that you are going to perform. So solving multiple reliability problems using professional judgments to ensure tasks including the appropriate level of assessment, analysis and evaluate while following best practice. So here you will be solving the complex problem of the business with the help of data using assessment, analysis and evaluation. With minimal procedural guidance, analyze the overall risk level for fixed and non-fixed asset to create reliability strategies. So here basically you will be analyzing two type of parameter. First is fixed or second is non-fixed assets. So on the base of that you have to create the reliability strategies to analyze the overall parameter. Third is organize and analyze pertinent data to evaluate consequence and probability of failures in fixed and non-fixed asset across multiple sites and units. Gather and organize operations and maintenance data to make recommendation in reliability strategies. Facilitate customer validations, meeting in process interviews, task selections, and other reliability focus areas of scope. Leverage internal and external software to deliver analysis and strategies for large industrial complex dataset. So this job role is more of analysis rather than making dashboards and visualize the data. Now coming to the facilities. Extract and verify pertinent reliability information from multiple data sources using different technologies. Organize large industrial complex facilities into smaller and more managemental sections based on the industry standards or customer guidance. Gather assets, accounts, and documentation related to project scope of work. Analyze effectiveness of historical and destructive examination method using various methodologies. Use verbal and written communication skills to work with our customers. So here you have to deal with the multiple data sources with the help of multiple technologies, and you will be also engaged with some documentation related projects. So here you have to deal with the end customer, so make sure to have a good verbal and written communication skills. Now coming to the responsibility and accountabilities. So meet and maintain excellent quality and efficiency of all the deliverables. Execute strategies to deliver reliability services to our customer. Demonstrate effective time management skills to ensure timely completion of the assigned tasks. Maintain professional relationship and effectively communicate with the team members. Participate in the endeavors that provide professional development and technical soft skill trainings. Now coming to the required qualification, one must have done their bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering. Here you have to be independent problem solver and high performing team player, able to adapt to evolving clients' demand and dynamic work environment. You must have a good understanding of technical literature, for example, process description, training manuals, and all those things. You must have ability to develop technical document like technical design document, technical test document, and all those things. And as usual, you must have a good verbal or written communication skills. So detail oriented with a strong aptitude for learning new processes and skill initiative to exceed beyond the set expectations, and willingness to travel up to 50% of your time of commitment, and to be relocate domestically as well as internationally. So if you are those candidate who love to travel a lot and adapt a good work culture beyond your country like international, so you can apply here. So that is all in today's video. I hope you find it meaningful. If you liked it, click on the like button, mention your suggestions in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more such updates.